I just wanted to say sorry for freaking out a little bit earlier. Because I'm happy. I'm happy that you decided to stay home. Because you've got a lot going on, and staying in definitely is the responsible thing to do right now. Yeah. Like, it's so hot that you made this decision, like, on your own without me even, like, asking you to. Yeah, you just chose the responsible choice. I love hanging out with you, so even if you're busy, like, studying or whatever, just kind of like having you in my vicinity. I like that. I hope I'm not distracting you too much. From your studying. What are you writing down? Is that a Quizlet? You made your own? Oh, wow. I didn't know you made your own Quizlets. I thought you just, like, tried to search ones that other people made. Okay, so you're making your own now. That's hot. God, who is this person? Look. I'm proud of you. Yeah, I am. I'm really proud of you. It takes a really strong person to, like, look inward and see where they're making mistakes and choose a different path because they know that instant gratification isn't going to benefit them long term. God, but sometimes instant gratification is so fun, right? I wish every day could just be like parties and no responsibility. But then when you do that for so long, it doesn't turn out so well. The party eventually ends. Could you use like a little study break? I don't know. Want me to make you a sandwich or something? It seems like you want a sandwich. No, 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 no. I'm not hungry. I'm just thinking about you here. Do you want a sandwich? I will make you a sandwich. Mm-hmm. Do you want it like fully dressed? Like you want mayonnaise? Why did I say it like that? Mayonnaise. Is it mayonnaise? Mayonnaise. I don't know why I said it like that. Well, I don't think I ever made you a sandwich before, so just asking. Sure? Sure you don't want one? Some candy? I don't know, like a drink? You want like a soda, some coffee? Because I don't know. Okay, well, I'll leave you alone and stop bothering you, but I just want you to know that you are the hottest man on the planet right now to me. You are. I think you probably always will be, but I don't want to. I don't want to make that statement just yet, because, this is one day. It's just one day where you made a really hot, responsible decision. And I hope I get to see a lot more, because if I see a lot more days like this, I am just gonna... Oof. Oof. You're something else. Okay. Alright. You make me laugh. That's what I love about you the most. You're so funny to me. Because, like, you just seem like so stupid. I think it's like, you seem so stupid. I think it's funny. But this right here, like this action right here, is like, you know, that's what makes it funny, is like, cause you can make a smart choice. Yeah. And I see that. That you're not really stupid. You just don't like doing things that you don't want to do. You're preaching to the choir. I don't like doing things that I don't want to do either. But sometimes you just gotta suck it up and do it. Right? Yeah, I put my tongue in. Yeah, it's a xylophone. Come to band practice on your study break, okay? Okay, I'm gonna